Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS Middleware. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the NestJS Middleware function, what is middleware? Middleware functions are used to intercept incoming HTTP request responses within the application's request processing pipeline. They provide a way to execute logic before and after a request is handled by the controller, allowing for the tasks such as logging, authentication, error handling, and the request response modification. Middleware functions in the NestJS are similar to the middleware in the Express.js, right? The same concept, but they are more structured, integrated into the NestJS framework. NestJS middleware can be implemented as the classes that implements the NestJS middleware interface or as a functions with signature like request, response, and the next. They can also be used global, module scope, and the route scope. Okay, so purposes middleware function in the NestJS serves the various purposes like authentication, logging, request response modification, error handling, rate limiting, and the more. So you have a question like, then what is the use of interceptor? In the previous video, we have discussed that the interceptor is before and after whatever you want to modify the response of an HTTP request, then you can use. Then what is the basic difference of both? So we are going to learn about the next video, like what is difference between the interceptors and the middleware. So first complete the what is middleware. Let's implement the middleware logic over here. Okay, so here I'm going to create a logging middleware.ts file. So let's create this in the logging. I'm going to create a new file with logging middleware.ts file. Okay, so let's add this code over here. So this is simple middleware for just logging the console method and the original URL, what exactly it is. Okay, next we have a app module.ts file. So just try to import that one. Okay, so here for the all routes you required, so please add this one also. Okay, so let's add this module full-fledged in the app module.ts file. So here we go with app module. So let me comment this and add our latest code over here. Okay, so logging middleware is not getting in, so let's try to add this with the help of the logging and then middleware. Okay, so let's try to save this and let's try to run. Here you can see consume apply login middleware for all routes. Okay, so whether it's to be a slash whatever get request post where everything, so it will gonna be log that one. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, so here the thing started. Let's try to hit this one. Okay, and here you can see the get request. Here you can see first it will call the middleware. You can see middleware is called first, then we have our interceptors. Okay, so route first we will, when the route is called, then you can do the modification. After the route you want to modification, then the interceptors will come into that role. You can see that, right? So in the next we are going to discuss about how, let's suppose here I'm going to add any on the route that is not there, then what happened? Cannot get, you can see cannot get this route, right? So here you can see the logging part is there, that I have made the custom middleware logging one that can log the routes over here. Okay, so this is how you can do the use of the middleware in the NestJS. In the next video we are going to learn about the difference between the interceptors and the middleware. I hope you understand what exactly we have done. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.